How to play Gmod with friends. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. To play your Gmod with your friends, it is pretty simple. First option is to hosting a pair-to-pair game. In order to do so, launch a Gmod on your computer. In the main menu, you need to choose on the single player for the option. Select the map, then change the player slot. In the top right corner, there will be a drop-down menu for the number of players. Click it and choose a number that accommodates you and your friend. Enable peer-to-peer networking, then just like that, tap on Start the game. You will have to invite your friends and this is the another option as well. In order to do so, press on Shift plus Tab to open the Steam overlay. Click on the Friends tab. Right-click on your friend's name and select Join Game or Invite. Once you do this, you'll be able to join or invite a friend in your hosted game or their hosted game. Now, to join a friend's hosted game, it is pretty simple as well. Press on Shift plus Tab. Then a Friends tab will open up. Select on the friend that you want to join in. Then just tap on Join Game. By this way, you will be able to play your Gmod with your friends. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.